Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, x minus a squared b squared y in parentheses squared, ax corresponds to the a in the formula, and a squared b squared y corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to ax in parentheses squared minus 2 times ax multiplied by a squared b squared y plus a squared b squared y in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, this equals to a squared x squared minus 2 times a cubed b squared x y plus a to the fourth power b to the fourth power y squared. Next exercise. bx squared y minus a squared y in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to bx squared y in parentheses squared minus 2 times bx squared y multiplied by a squared y plus a squared y in parentheses squared. And when I simplify further, I get b squared x to the fourth power y squared minus 2 times a squared b x squared y squared plus a to the fourth power y squared. Next exercise. A squared x y squared minus b squared y z squared in parentheses squared. This equals to a squared x y squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times a squared x y squared multiplied by b squared y z squared plus b squared y z squared in parentheses squared. And when I simplify further, I get a to the fourth power x squared y to the fourth power minus 2 times a squared b squared x y cubed z squared plus b to the fourth power y squared z to the fourth power. And last exercise. When I apply the formula, this equals to a b squared x squared y squared z in parentheses squared minus 2 times a b squared x squared y squared z multiplied by a squared b x y z squared plus a squared b x y z squared in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, this equals to a squared b to the fourth power x to the fourth power y to the fourth power z squared minus 2 times, then I have a cubed b cubed x cubed y cubed z cubed plus a to the fourth power b squared x squared y squared z to the fourth power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.